In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule an appointment in Calendly. If your plans change or you need to shift a meeting to a better time, Calendly makes the process quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident making the change without disrupting anyone's schedule. Start by signing into your Calendly account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, head to the meetings page where you can see the list of your scheduled events. If you don't immediately see the meeting you're looking for, try adjusting the date range or scanning for the event title and the guest's name. Taking a moment to confirm you've opened the right meeting helps avoid confusion later. Open the meeting you want to change. You'll see the event details, including the current date, time, duration, and attendee information. Look for the reschedule option. It's typically right on the event details screen and is clearly labeled so you can't miss it. Click Reschedule to start choosing a new time. Calendly will show you the available time slots based on your current availability and any settings you already use, like buffers or working hours. Choose a date, then pick a time that works best. As you make your choice, double-check the time zone at the top of the page to ensure the new time is correct for both you and your attendee. If you notice fewer options than expected, it may be because those times are already booked or blocked by your existing calendar events. After selecting your new slot, proceed to confirm. Calendly will finalize the change and update the event to the new time. You should see a confirmation on screen, and Calendly will send an update to the attendee automatically so they're notified right away. The meeting will also update on your connected calendar, so you don't need to manually edit anything there. Take a quick moment to verify that the new time appears correctly on your calendar and that you've received the confirmation email. This is a simple way to ensure everything's synced properly. If you need to adjust again later, you can repeat the same process. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the meetings page, select the event, click reschedule, pick a new time, and confirm. With these steps, you can keep your schedule organized and your attendees informed with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you reschedule with confidence in Calendly.